Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Sorry for the slight delay into getting the videos up because I was, but basically what happened was when I went camping last weekend, I had food I was going to cook, but then someone's like, hey, we made a big pot of Spanish rice, come have some. I thought, ooh, that sounds really good. So I ended up eating that, not eating the food I brought. So when I got home Sunday evening, I cooked that for dinner, and since I'd already made it in camp before, it was a pub steak with the bacon and mushrooms. I couldn't see making a video on that, so I'm actually going to be repeating something I already made. I'm going to be making chicharrones chicken, but I'm going to be putting it over pasta. So I'm actually making lunch right now, and then I'm going to go to work because good times. So I just got some pork rinds left over. So I'm just macerating them into nothing, into dust. If you're wondering why I'm not using a rolling pin, because I actually don't have a rolling pin. Yeah, you know, coffee bottle will work just fine. So I'm going to be breading this chicken, frying it up, and I'm going to be making pasta, and I'm going to be making my own sauce as well. Turn the stove on. I don't want this on high. This is also the same cursed burner that goes out of control. A little oil. Get my pans. It's going to be pork rinds. I think I was off camera there. Sorry about that. Got some flour. Also going to go ahead and season my flour. So little garlic and herb. Sorry, I'm having to walk around the tripod, so little Old Bay. That should be good. Alright, so what I want to do with this chicken before I start cooking it, I just want to trim off some of the extra fat. Like that. The chicken thighs usually have a little bit of fat on them anyway, but doesn't mean I can't minimize some of it, just trim it up. Alright. I got my flour dredge, so I'm just going to go ahead and set those in there real quick as I move it. Alright. Go ahead and dredge the chicken. Dip the chicken in its own unborn offspring. Eggs. There we go, and we'll move it over to cast iron pan. and I'll get the other one going. Alright. And the other one. Damn it. I'm gonna crank up the heat just a little bit. Alright. We have some egg noodles here. I literally just bought these at Winco yesterday, so I'm gonna go, I don't know, about a cup. Oh, whoops. Cup, plus I spilled some. Those are gonna cook up really quick, so. Alright. Alright. Nice. I'm also going to go ahead and I got some butter in here. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a roux using butter. And I also have, I need a bigger kitchen. I got some whipping cream. And I'm going to be making my own sauce. So homemade sauce. Then in the steamer there, I've just got some steamed broccoli. I know I usually always make steamed broccoli, but, you know, because it's one of the vegetables I really like, and I kind of think that if you're going to eat vegetables, you might as well eat the ones you enjoy, so, yeah, pretty simple logic. Pasta might be done a little sooner than the other stuff, but, oops. I'm actually going to throw it in the skillet anyway, so. Alright, add a little bit of flour. Came together, so it looks like that. Pour in the cream. Add a little salt. Add some of the garlic and herb. Alright, so according to the temperature gauge, this little guy here is done. Oh. The sauce thickened up really well. So it's almost too thick. Get that off the heat. Now, because this is a thicker piece of chicken, I want to make sure it's not, make sure it's cooked all the way through. I'm just waiting for this thick part here to come up to temperature so I don't get sick. And come on. I'm just gonna go ahead and call it because it's close, but it's not quite there. Alright, turn down the temperature significantly. Sounds like my broccoli's done. I'm gonna get rid of all this cooked on chunks. Okay. So I got my pasta. I'm gonna throw in my sauce. broccoli. I think there's enough heat in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kill the thyme, or kill the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my chicken off camera. Alright, I was actually gonna put this in the sauce. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of Parmesan cheese. I was actually going to melt it in the sauce, but I forgot. But I guess it worked out since it was kind of, it's just a plate the chicken was resting on, so. I didn't make very much. Well, it made more than I thought it was, so I'll probably have some leftovers tomorrow, so. This. And then topped a little bit more cheese. Let's get a fork out and taste it. Alrighty. So I gotta be honest, I was a little bit pressed for time because I gotta go to work here soon. So I actually would have probably just started the chicken in the pan and threw it in the oven and just finished baking it. So there's the chicken. The pasta. Damn, that's really good. The sauce came out really good. It's just heavy whipping cream and garlic and oh, what else I put in there? Chicken came out really good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go sit down and eat because this is fantastic. Alrighty, well, needless to say, clean the plate. That was actually really quite good. I should have, if I make this again, what I would do is get a lemon and then zest one lemon and then put in some sorry, just putting my thermometer away. Put in the juice and the zest of the lemon. Whatever. I think really would have pulled it together really nice. But I still enjoyed the hell out of it. And with that, I thank you for watching. Check the description for links for the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. Also, Sean Shovelhead 8 and the Cast Iron Cooking channel will all be down there. And then next month's Cast Iron Cooking challenge is going to be grits. So we'll have to really think on that because I don't really eat a lot of grits. So we'll see what happens. So anyway, catch you next time.